Kaya sa Kat G, maraming salamat sa pagbuo ng ganitong block screening. Lagi last time, ganito rin. And ngayon, ganito ulit. Kaya maraming salamat. Hindi ko alam kung gano'n ko kami pinasayarisiyan. And sa lahat ng mga nandito, Kirmel, gusto ko pala, hello. Sa lahat ng mga nandito, maraming pong salamat. At natutuwa kami sa mga reaction ninyo, natatawa kayo, naiyak pa kayo.
Yeah!
Diba, dramatic actors?
Hey guys, maraming salamat. Thank you na. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Maraming salamat for giving us the time. Giving us yung puso na hinayaan nyo mag-affect kayo dito sa film na to. So maraming salamat. Members of the press, maraming salamat po. SM Accessories family, nandito po sila ngayon. Ayan! Hello. Yes, and my friends from the States, nandito rin sila. Thanks guys. Maraming salamat. Kanji, maraming salamat po for the block screening. Malaking bagay po yung block screening. So thank you, Mommy and Lola. Thank you, love you.
Congratulations once again for a job well done. Congratulations. Ayan. And of course, once again, palakpakan naman po natin sila ulit. Ayan. If I were you guys, please tell your friends, your family, and with your loved ones, of course, to watch, of course, ito, Bright for Red po, okay? Ayan, maraming salamat po. Kim Chu and Sian Lim. Ayan. I hope you guys enjoyed. Of course, ayan po. Maraming salamat once again. Congratulations to Direk. Ayan, May Cruz. Maraming salamat po for doing this a job well done. Ayan. And of course, ayan, hindi po posible ito.